Hello everybody, welcome to Royal Kitchen. Today I am going to make Rava dosa in my Royal Kitchen. Before going to make Rava dosa, I want to make a request. If you have not subscribed my channel yet, please subscribe my channel so that you can get the notifications of my coming recipes. I am profusely thankful to all my viewers for your constant encouragement and support. I need your constant support to the promotion of my channel. Please do subscribe my channel. Let's get started. To make Rava dosa, I have taken 1 cup of whole wheat flour and 1 cup of rice flour and half a cup of maida and 3 red chillies and 3 green chillies, chopped green chillies I have taken, 2 teaspoons of chopped ginger, 2 large onions chopped, half a cup of chopped coriander leaves, add 2 teaspoonful of salt or as per your taste. To this add 5 to 6 cups of water. To this add 1 grated carrot. Everything I have grated in a food processor. To this add 1 cup of semolina. Mix all of them well. We have to maintain the watery consistency in our batter. At the end, adjust the amount of salt. Now I have kept the pan for heating to make dosas. No need to keep the dosa batter aside for some time. We can immediately pour the dosas on the dosa pan. Whenever we pour the dosas, we need to mix the batter like this. And pour the dosas like this, and immediately pour some oil on the dosas and spread the oil like this so that the oil may reach every part of our dosa. Keep the flame in high and roast it. By keeping the flame in medium high, we have to scrape the dosa like this. And flip it. See, our dosa is roasted very well. See, our dosa is roasted very well and the holes are formed. It is just like the dosas sold in the restaurants. Roast it from the other side also and take it into the plate. See, all the vegetables are looking clearly on the dosas. You can as well as add the grated wet coconut also in these dosas. Now pour another dosa. Mix the batter like this. Whenever we pour the dosas, we have to keep the flame in medium high so that the holes are very well formed on the top of the dosas. After pouring the dosa, adjust the flame from medium to high. By slowly scraping the edges and the bottom, we have to flip the dosa like this. Now our yummy delicious crispy eye-catching dosas studded with vegetables are ready to eat and serve. This is one part of our dosa and this is the other part of our dosa. These dosas are crispy and crunchy. Eat these dosas along with sambar and chutney. I hope all of you would like my recipe. If you are really liked my recipe, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching my channel. I will show you how crispy our dosas are by tearing one dosa. See, they are very crispy. Make these dosas and post a comment in a comment box. I will be back to you with one more new recipe. Till then, take care. Thank you.